If Photoshop feels slow, laggy, or just annoying to use, you're probably using the default settings. Here are the settings I disable on every installation to speed up Photoshop and enhance my workflow. Let's get started. Please like and subscribe. The default Photoshop configuration includes the home screen. Disabling it prevents the resource-intensive splash screen from appearing each time an image or document is closed, thereby enhancing the overall performance of the application. On Windows, navigate to Edit, then Preferences, and select General. Uncheck Auto Show Home Screen. This prevents the home window from popping up every time you close a document. Hovering over the tools in Photoshop, you will realize these animated hints, previews that distract and slows your workflow. Here's how to turn it off. Go to Edit, Preferences, Tools. Uncheck Show Tooltips. Also, disable Overscroll to keep the canvas from drifting beyond the workspace. If you constantly see the bounding boxes when a layer is selected, here is how to disable it. Go to the Options bar and uncheck Show Transform Controls. When hovering over layers in the recent version of Photoshop, you will see these lines, which often cause visual clutter and slows down your work. Click the gear icon on the Options bar and uncheck Show Layer Bounds on Hover, and also disable Show Hover Bounds from Layers. This will remove the lines constantly showing when a layer is selected. If you want to optimize Photoshop for advanced features based on your PC's specifications, watch this tutorial. I've pinned the link in the comments section. Like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications to stay updated with future tutorials.